Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to turn on and off keyboard light in MSI laptops. Now here, as you can see, I have the keyboard turned off. This is without the light, and it will shine red light once I press on FN plus the minus button. So now here the process is reversed. You may think that when you press on Fn, the function button, and the plus icon or the plus button, you will increase the intensity, but no, it is not like so. When you press the function button and the minus button, it will increase the intensity of light and it will shine red like so. Now, in order to do the reverse, you should click on the function button, then the plus button in order to decrease the intensity of light and turn off the backlight on your keyboard. So now let's recap. Fn++, it will decrease the light intensity and turn off the backlight color after 3 clicks on the plus button. Function plus minus, it will increase the intensity of color till the maximum after 3 presses or 3 clicks on the minus button. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.